Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith, and this is the Holler Barbecue. Today, I'm going to be taking those ribeye trimmings from a couple of weeks ago when I cut up that whole ribeye. I'm going to grind it up into some awesome hamburger meat, and I'm going to show you how I make cheeseburgers on the Weber kettle with my burn shop insert. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I got a great cheeseburger recipe for you that we're going to be trying out. So first thing, I want to go over something. So I've been looking for a really good hamburger smasher, and I don't know how many of you guys watch Ballistic BBQ on YouTube. It's these guys right here. Greg, who runs the channel, he's great. He's got an awesome channel. I've been watching him for a long time. And he got hooked up with this company called Hickory, and they basically make the smasher that he uses in his videos. I went ahead and got one because I needed something really good. Let me show you what I was using. You probably seen this in a video. This is just a bacon press. Basically, put bacon down, put it straight on top of it, and it flattens it out while it cooks. This is what I was using. Problem is, it's hard to get consistent burgers out of it when you're smashing it down, and look how big it is. I mean, compared to just the box that this other one came in, it's huge. So I had a hard time smashing down like one burger at a time because I don't have so much room on the grill, and this one would actually hit other ones as I'm smashing them down, and you don't want that to happen. So I decided to get one of Greg's smashers. Now these things it was like $29.99 online, plus to my house here in Oregon, it cost $10 to ship it, so I was right at $40. Now these things come out of California, so it probably depends on where you live as to what your shipping is. Let's go ahead and look at it. So it's a real simple design. It's just a complete stainless steel smasher. Very simple. It's very sturdy. It's got good weight to it. But what makes it good is basically this well on the inside of it, so that you can make the perfect size burgers every time. We're just gonna smash it down straight metal to metal. And when you're doing your smash burgers kind of like this, you want to basically about 10 seconds you want to hold it on the grill, and then you're good. And to keep it from sticking, we'll put like a little parchment paper on top of the meat as we smash it down. Super pumped about this. I have used this one time already, and it works fantastic. So I just wanted to show you guys just something new that I got. All right, so for our hamburger meat today, remember a few weeks ago when I did the cutting up that whole ribeye, I had a bunch of leftover trimmings, and we're actually going to use that to make our hamburger meat today. So basically we're going to be making ribeye steak burgers. I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer. I have an attachment for a grinder. I'm just going to go ahead and grind that up, and I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. And here's our hamburger meat, freshly ground up. If you've never ground your own hamburger meat to make hamburgers, I suggest you give it a try. It comes out really good. And so for today's cook, I just want to do just some regular plain cheeseburgers. So we're not going to be doing any bacon or anything like that. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to measure out about 3.5 ounces and make a ball of it. And we're going to use that smasher to smash it down on the grill. So let me show you what we do. So I'm actually going to weigh these just so that we get consistency in size. You can't really, well, maybe you can see the weight. But we're looking for, I want to do about 3.5 ounces here. So let me just get a little bit of meat, and let's see where we're at. See how close we can get. 3 5/8. All right, 3.5 right there. And then what I'm going to do is just going to take this. I'm not going to pack it down really tight. I'm more just trying to mold it here just into a ball. And that's basically what we're looking for. Alright guys, let me show you how I'm going to be setting up my grill. So we're going to be using the Weber today, and I'm going to be using my flat grill grate I got from the burn shop. Alright, so I have about half a chimney worth of regular old Kingsford Blue lit, ready to go. Now you want to put these under where you're going to put your flat top at, and I'm going to be putting mine towards the front. I just want to dump these around the edge. Just so they're on the side like that. Then we'll take our grill. Put it just like that. Now we're going to let it heat up for maybe like 10 minutes. Let it come up to temp. Get really good. I'm going to scrape it down, get it ready to go, and then we'll show you how we get these burgers going. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is toast my buns a little bit. Now, the buns that I'm going to be using are just a potato bun. These are really soft, so they come out really good. We just want a light toast on there. And then for my wife, she's doing gluten-free, so we're going to put that on there for her. Alright, now we're ready for our burgers. So I'm just going to put like just a little light thing of oil in here. So I've actually had people asking me how well this grill grate's holding up. Well, I live in the Northwest, one of the wettest climates in the United States, and every time I use it, I keep it clean and keep it oiled up, and I have no rust spots. So it's doing pretty good, I think. Alright, now it's time for the burgers. Just going to basically place each ball straight on there. Kind of spread them out a little bit so we have room for smashing. And then I'm just taking a small piece of parchment paper, putting right over the top, and we're going to smash it down for 10 seconds until metal hits metal. This hamburger smasher is really good. Good job, Greg. Now, when you're cooking burgers like this, it doesn't take them, too long. You can actually see we're hotter right here in the middle because this one right here is starting to brown up a little bit better than the other ones. Get that little piece out of the way. But you'll actually start seeing juices flow back up to the top. That's when you know it's about time to flip. I'm going to flip this one last since it's still a little bit pinker there. But also, make sure you got a good scraper because you want to get under that crust right there is what we were looking for. I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of cheese on them right now. So once you get the cheese on there and you flip them over, you don't really need that much time now. It doesn't take them long to finish it all. So I'm actually going to start getting these off, and we will get them put together. So let's get this thing put together. One thing I forgot to show you was, for seasoning, I just use a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. Use whatever you want. Sometimes burger stuff, they don't even need seasoning. A little salt and pepper is good to go. So let me show you how I'm going to build this. So on the bottom, I'm putting ketchup. Then I'm going to take my first patty. I'm going to turn it upside down with the cheese. On that, we're going to put mustard. I like to spread it around. Then the other patty. See this right here? That's that crispy cheese. That is gold. Then we're going to do mustard again. Oh, and I put both of them upside down so you can see that. We're going to do a little onion. Some pickles. And a little bit of lettuce. And that's our burger. Alright, so now you know the only thing we gotta do now is taste this sucker. Tell me that don't like a good burger. Let me get up in this thing. Man, oh man. That's what I call an all-American classic burger right there. Alright guys, that's my real quick video showing you how I like to do cheeseburgers. Now, that smasher, awesome. If you want to look into getting one of those, I'll put the link down in the description below of where I got it from. So you can give that a check. And as always, if you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.